All right, y'all, we got an unboxing today. It's going to be the 2021 to 22 Prizm Premier Soccer League trading cards. We're looking to unwrap 22 Mega Box exclusive Red Ice Prizms. There's going to be 5 cards per pack and a total of 60 cards. We're looking to get all the Sun cards, any Ronaldo cards, and then decent looking cards. So let's get it started. Hopefully everyone's having a good day. It's Friday over here in Japan. So let's get some good pulls, y'all. Good luck. Leave in the comments what cards you would want to pull from this set. Be a total of, I think, 12 packs here. Total 12 packs. Alright. See what we get here. Let's go. And put in the comments too which team you actually support. Okay, starting off with a João Cancelo, a Richarlison, Mateus Klitsch. Ooh, we got a nice red Prizm Pereira into a Mason Greenwood. Heck yeah. Let's take those. Next pack. We got a Benny, Ganga, ooh, Paul Pogba, Leonard Trossard, and a Suchek. It'll be crazy if we pull an actual auto out of this. That'd be sick. Let's see what we got here. We got a Luke Thomas, Tino Livramento. Ooh, instant impact on the Jadon Sancho. Is this numbered? No. This is a nice card though. We got a little cheeky Miggy Almiron, a Gyro Ridgeweld, let's pull some Arsenal cards here. We have Andy Robertson, Billy Gilmore, Jared Bowen, Matthias Jensen, Trevo Chalobah, Federico Fernandez. There we go, Martin Odegaard. We'll take those. William Trust Ekong, Abdoulaye Decore, and Ian Messier. Raul Jimenez, Pierre-Emile Højbjerg. Oops, what's this? Joe Gilhart on the rookie. Tommy Davies red, and Jafit Taganga. Got a few more packs here. Wesley Fofana, Oreo Romeo. Ooh, we had the widescreen on the Ben Chilwell. Got a Hwang Hee-chan, take that, and a Saeed Ben Rama. Next, let me know your pulls from this set, guys, in the comments here. Ooh, Kai Havertz and the fireworks. That's sick. What is that too? It's not numbered, but another sick card. We got a Jack Clark on the rookie. Jeffrey Schulp on the red. Oh, there goes Arsenal. Let's see what we got here. Got a Chris Wood, Kenny McLean, Ted Kovacic, John Stones, and foreign Balogun. I don't even think he's with Arsenal anymore, guys. Yeah, I love Arsenal, so I'll take any Arsenal cards here. We have a Jamal Lewis, Douglas Luiz, Nicola Pepe, let's go. He's no longer at Arsenal. Christos Cholis, and an Imran Luza on the red. Sadio Mane, nice. Basuma, what's this? Whoa, we got a brilliance, Luca Digne. What is that out of? Tremois, France. That's a nice card. What's that in the middle here? Got a Nick Pope. And Patrick Bamford. The red. Last pack magic. No, something crazy. Let's get something crazy out of here. We got Nelson Semedo, T.S. Jorgensen, Ken Sema, Danny Ings on the red, Harvey Barnes. Cool, that's all for today, guys. If you want to see more openings, let me know in the comment section. And if you're new here, please subscribe. We do FIFA 23 content, Pokemon content, and we do also football card content as well. So everyone have a great day, have a great weekend. Always be safe, take care. Love, peace, always. Deuces.